So this particular error here, unknown marketplace for user, is one Amazon Prime Video error that I've been experiencing quite a lot on a few Android devices. Currently I've been experiencing it on a Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G, but also my wife's Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has also been producing the same error. Doesn't matter which account. So this is a bit of a story about the rat's nest of Amazon, and also the weird solution that I came across at about 2 in the morning when I was up with one of my kids. So to begin with, I'll cover the things that I have tried. Previously with this, I would try and download the app, but as soon as I open it, I'd get that unknown marketplace error. It wouldn't allow me into the app to even attempt to sign in. I have the Amazon Prime Video connected to my PS4. It plays perfectly fine on my PC. If I also try and use the web browser on the Android phone in question, it would just instantly divert me to the app and also produce this error. So Googling the error didn't really bring up too much for me. So through multiple sign-ins, multiple times I've signed in, I've got the Amazon shopping app. Eventually I got led to some random Chinese, or I think Japanese forum, which I'll just link to now. But as you can see, simply searching the error. So as you can see, searching unknown marketplace for user, Amazon Prime, or if we just put Android, what do we get there? We get no difference at all. So this error seems to be very unknown to basically the internet. So from there, I believe I started using Amazon Fire, I think it was. Change your language in marketplace, which this just lent me onto a full runaround where click on the settings icon at the top of Amazon Assistant. None of this really helped. Amazon Assistant will show to you in your language and corresponding Amazon Marketplace based upon your geographical IP location. So I followed these prompts, could not get anywhere, went around and around and around until I came across this particular search term, which, as I mentioned, I said it was on some Japanese site. I'm pretty sure it was this one here, but on my phone it enabled me to go there. So no matter what I did, I was producing the same unknown marketplace error, which made me think, after following this link here and signing into my Amazon Prime again, this site here, change preferred shopping site. Change preferred shopping site to Amazon.com to shop for content on Amazon.com Kindle, blah, 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 blah. So I clicked that, went okay, and then from there I was able to load up perfectly fine Amazon or Prime Video on my Android device. So I believe that this part here may have been the solution for my problem, and hopefully the solution for your problem. I'll leave a copy of the link in the description, but I hope this can resolve your issue with Amazon Prime, because I know if I have to see another one of those two-factor authentications for Amazon Prime, they could almost jam it up their ass. I've saw it too many times trying to resolve this issue, especially considering I haven't even signed into the device. I don't know why it's telling me this. But hopefully you'll stop seeing this and be able to start seeing this. Anyway, that will do for today's video. I hope this helped you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.